Okay, so I need help. I bought this from AliExpress. It's weld, put everything together. I have a capacitor, okay, and an 18 amp 12 volt battery, okay, and for some reason I can't get it to weld. Okay, just watch. I have a nickel strip 15 millimeters, you know. I can't get to weld much. So I have this and I have this. Okay, I will weld it. Oops, okay. Well, that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, and it comes off. Not a lot of force. I have this on the highest setting. And worse, when a battery, try to do it. Watch. 1, 2, 3. You'll see. I will crisscross. That should be plenty, right? And voila. So if there's any of you that can help me, I will really appreciate it, because I'm going crazy. I have this is from one company, and I have another one from a different company. This one, and no matter which one I try, it will just not weld. See, no matter what I do, I can put 10. Capacitor stays at 12 volts. Okay, so that's plenty. Watch, it would just come off. I've seen other videos that you put it, you grab your strip, you weld it, and then you go 1, 2, 3, and see, it's not even holding. So please, if there's any of you that can help me, that if there's something that I'm doing wrong, I will really appreciate it. I think I have a really good setup with the capacitor. You can't go wrong, it should stay strong. I think it's this thing that is really cheap. So I did one pack, but what I did is, let me show you guys what I did. Okay, let me move this out of the way. So what I did, I wanted to go cheap, but this really works. This is a solenoid. The plugs, I put it into this 12 volt battery, and I made this, and it works really well. And that's how I got this. You can see the welding a little bit. Let me get to focus.